All right, third grade. I'm going to show you another one of my little tricks that I like to do for parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and intersecting lines, because you need to know the difference. And this helps me doing things with my hands, or kind of creating those little devices in your head to help you remember things, help me a lot. And so I try to pass those on to my students too. So for parallel lines, you're just going to hold your arms straight up and down like this, because parallel lines, they never cross. So they can go on and on and on and on and on forever, and they're never going to meet. Okay, so parallel lines, just arms straight up and down. For perpendicular lines, those are the ones that cross with the right angle. So you're going to put your arms up like this. One all the way up, straight up and down. The other one all the way horizontal, across. Okay? That's perpendicular. Then for intersecting, it's really easy. You just tilt this one, okay? Because then you have those different angles created by the lines. They are crossing at some point, even if it's down here, is going to cross, okay? So that's it. Parallel, perpendicular, intersecting. Okay? All right. Good luck, guys.